Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So the moment I became immediate neighbor of this twin flame, and immediately back to back, painful incidents started happening in the month of July itself in 2019. So now I was, threatened by the divine. Reason behind that, it was like in 2016. What has happened that I have already talked about a lady, a female, who used to do black magic on me since my childhood. And when I was told this about by the divine, that this lady does this on me, so I said, no, you are lying, I don't believe you on this. This cannot be true. But then later on, when I took this lady and her sister to that tantric which I've talked about in 2014, I guess. So there, she used to go again and again to that tantric, and she paid a lot of money to end my career, my health, and then my life too. So by 2016, she almost tried her level best to end my life through this tantric. So divine knows each and everything, and I have always been protected, but again health was spoiling. So now what divine did, that apart from ending my life, she has done a lot of shit behind my back. So there were also, the entire family has supported her in so many other dirty things. So when this karma returns in the form of one painful, extremely worst situation in her life, so now that time she was thrown out of the house. Entire family member thrown her out of the house, and nobody was ready to keep her inside the house. So somebody told me this and also called me for their help. So everybody knew that I am the one who can take them out from that particular situation, and that was such a worst situation. And what has happened that so as I knew about that particular situation, what has happened, and they have thrown this lady out of the house. So I knew one thing: if I do not involve myself, then this lady, if she will get a chance, she will give poison to entire family. There were elders, there were also small kids. But as I knew in and out about this evil lady, she would do this. So that was the reason I decided to interfere. I did not want anyone to be killed or or die, even including that lady, because she had 3-4 children's. So when I went there, I took her inside the house, and then also I advised and requested every family member to keep her inside the house. Why? I had several reasons to allow her in the family, because first of all, she had 3-4 young children, and if she was separated from these children, these all children will their life will be spoiled. So no matter how a mother is, her presence is must in children's life. I do not deny that when somebody, and evil lady is there, that too as a mother. So the difference was these children of her were like her only, so there was no difference in them. So when I used to stay with this family, they all have done shit behind my back, and to bother me in such a way that it was such painful situations I've gone through. So they also knew this was their karma, and I also knew. But then as I got scared that this lady can end the life of every other person, but she herself will not eat the poison. So once I took her inside the house, she confessed it in front of entire family. This is what she was planning, to give poison to entire family, but she doesn't know how she was stopped. So that's what I said to myself, that yeah, I already knew that what she can do, because I have been gone through a lot because of her dirty things. So when I requested everybody to keep her inside the house, and also I had to do investment of 25 lakh rupees, even more than that, to save all of them from that particular situation. So when they all saw that I'm helping them, that too from that worst situation which wasn't possible to come out, and then they agreed to keep her inside the house. But what has happened, when I took her inside the house that time, masculine, who was elder in the family, raised his hand to slap this lady. And I holded the hand of that masculine not to do this. But that time, I got first heart attack. So it was a karmic family because of whom I got first heart attack. So as I had phobia of seeing a couple fighting, I knew that, and this was an incident which I could not face properly, and then that was the reason that the heart attack came. And again I was fainted for I think for several minutes, and then okay, then whatever has happened in that situation, I took them out of that situation. But since then, as I had to take the control of their life, they needed my approval and permission for doing anything, for taking any sort of decisions in their life. Even somebody wanted to get married, be it love marriage or arranged marriage, my approval was required. I wasn't happy of taking the control of their life in my hand, but the reason was I knew it was their karma. But then, if I give them this control, the big investment I have done, they will again spoil it. Because see, if somebody's karmas and intentions are not pure, not good for anyone, they will keep on losing things in their life, be it their money, be it their people in their life. So this happens, and I have been aware about it. But as I have been on a painful journey, so already my situation was worst because of the black magic and all, and then I was already going through a lot. So I thought, if these people will be disturbed or in such situation, I will also be disturbed. That was the only scenario. So I thought, let me take that control, let everything, I should have a control over their life. So everything was working fine. But now, as this was a karma, consequences of their bad deeds, which got returned in the form of one particular situation. So I had this idea, but then as I was stressed that this lady can give poison to entire family, so just by because of that situation, I interfered. So as it was the result of their bad deeds, and they got it in the form of one particular worst situation in their life, wherein they were insulted in the entire society and also had to go through a lot. So what has happened, that as I came in front of the karma, then I had to face it. But all these people were saved from it. So it was a biggest mistake, which I was not supposed to do it, but then again I did it. So now this situation returns back again in 2018. Again, same sort of situation happened, similar sort of situation happened. This time I got another heart attack. This was second heart attack. So again, I have gone through 2 heart attacks because of the karmic family. And there I also realized these people kept on fighting, kept on doing shit, and then kept on asking for my help, and I am being involved every time. And once this situation is over, they are absolutely fine, they behave like nothing has happened. But this affects my mental health and also my physical body. So again in 2018, it was their karma which got returned in the form of situation, and I again came in front of the karma. So now this situation was coming again in July 2019, when I became neighbor of this twin flame. So this was third time, and I was about to interfere. Why? Because I was already upset and so angry and in lot of pain because of my friend's incident. So and I thought, maybe if I don't involve myself, maybe someone else can die because of the way they fight. So that was the reason I was about to interfere. And then divine said, back out, step back, you cannot do this. And in case you dare to do this again, as you have done this or twice in their life, so you will be punished. So you will be thrown in a particular situation where you are trying to save yourself. As my career has been a biggest support in my life, so just to save my career thing, I was trying to stay away from one particular situation. And as it's divine always keep a watch over my thoughts, what I'm thinking, what I'm planning. So divine was aware where I was trying to save myself. I did not want to get involved. So that was a threat. If I again come in front of this karma of these people, I will be thrown in the same situation, and that will become so worst. So when divine threatened me about this particular situation, there I apologized to divine and promised that I will never come in front of the karma whenever it returns in their life. Also I said I didn't realize that it was their karma, and I kept on interfering it. It was not just twice. These were 2 major situations wherein I remember. But then meanwhile they were always having these results in the form of illness, or in the form of financial situations, or in the form of death also. But those are not those big situations. Now these 2 situations were extreme situations wherein I got 2 heart attacks. So, as Divine told me during my childhood, if anyone has done anything against me, even gossiping, they will not be spared by them. And I have seen them getting their karma. So, I knew that, and this time, and that time also, Divine told me, I will have to watch them getting their karma, no matter what. So, I said, I don't have that much, power to see them going through that much pain, wherein I understand it's their karma, but then still, I cannot watch this. So Divine said, be ready for that. It will again return, and make sure you do not interfere in this. So now there I realized, as it is there, karma, it will definitely come back, as it's been coming back to back. And I was the one who was saving them, from this, these painful situations which they actually deserved. But then one more reality of my life, if somebody has done any shittiest thing behind my back, anything, or did to harm me, so I know that that person cannot die until they have faced those painful situations in their life. So that is another reality of mine. So now the concern was, as Divine has said, this karma will return again. The reason behind Divine got upset, see, Divine has to do lot of things on the back end. They will create some sort of situations wherein it will take time, and then all of a sudden it will come in as a shock in their life, wherein everybody knows it's their karma, but they pretend as if they are being punished unnecessarily. So since I started staying alone, and I was aware about it, that they kept on getting such situations in their life, and they kept on involving me, kept on asking for their help, and I was going and helping them. So now when this karma returns again, how would I say no to them? That was such a big situation for me, and because it will also shock them, every time I have been helping them, and I was the one who was only helping them, nobody else. So I decided to do one thing. I called a family member at my place, and I told this person and made him remember each and every situation wherein they themselves called me and involved me and asked for my help, and I did help them. But what was my problem? Where did I do anything? It was not my fault, where in all those situations. So I said, this person, from now onwards I would not be helping, and I should not be involved in any of their situations, and you all know this is your karma. So I told this person very clear, and if this happens, if anybody dares to involve me, this will not be good for anyone. So I told this person, from now onwards no help will be given from my side, no matter even you people live on earth or you die tomorrow, I don't care now. So once I warned this family member, not to involve me in their shit, do not ask for, help. So I was very clear, I will never support you in your dirty karmas. And then, but then again, as these situations were happening, I thought they were in trouble. But then I had to, help them, because they were young kids. They were also evil only, we think these are kids, but they were like, snakes only. So jealous people, and not growing in their life till now, and they will never grow, but they are kept on, competing. So that was again a biggest mistake in my life. So since I warned this person in July, not to ask for any sort of help from me, still they were, fighting and trying to involve me. So I denied. 3 times I denied, I remember. And then, they were also shocked. I am definitely not helping them, and will not be helping them. So since then, I realized one more situation, that, since 2014, I never had to hear anything that they have ever, fought with anyone, or have created some sort of situation. See, understand, these are karmics, and they are playing on 2 levels, on energetic level and also on 3D level. So they will keep on creating such situations, and will keep on asking you to do your involvement, so that your energies gets disturbed. And also in 2016, I did a big investment, so it was a financial burden on me, that I had to invest 25 lakh rupees. So their agenda is always to keep you empty from inside out, and keep you, disturbed energetically, mentally, financially. So what they do, they kept on fighting before 2019, and kept on involving me. Since the moment I told them I will not be helping you in any of your situation, they don't fight at all. So after 2019 July, I've not heard a single incident, till now, that they have ever fought with anyone. So you have to understand, they are dramatic people, and they are emotionless people, wherein they will always, show crocodile tears, and manipulate you, pretend as if they are so sad and in pain, when they are getting their karma. But in case if you come in front of the karma, you will be punished by the divine too, and you will go through those, painful situations, because divine will also have to do, things on the back end, creating situations, planning, and for big situations for these people. So we should not do that. And there I realized, and I also promised I would never be doing this thing. So as back to back, incidents were happening in July, and once divine threatened me, and I promised, about the situation will not be helping them, these people, when their karma returns. Immediately, one of my family member, gave me information about one other family member, a female, who was elder than me 4 to 5 years. And so she was in a relationship with a guy and was staying in a live-in, since 4 to 5 years, and entire family knew about it, wherein I did not know about it, because I've never been, checking about other people, what's going on in their life, never ever. So now this situation again happened in 2016 or even before that, and I wasn't aware about it. But all of a sudden this information was given to me, by one of the family member, that the guy who was living with this, female as as a partner, he has left her, ditched her, denied from getting married, wherein everybody in the family was aware about this guy, that he stays in live-in. And in my family nobody agrees for this live-in. Even I don't prefer this live-in relationship. So so because of that, shock that that guy has ditched her and denied, and also ran away, stopped contacting her. So she met with a major accident. She was hospitalized for several months, I guess. And so when all of a sudden I got to hear this, I was again angry and upset. Let me see, who was that guy. I will punish that guy. So now divine said, step back. It was her karma, so I said, what has she done? So now this, girl, this female who was elder than me, she's a cousin sister. So she tried spoiling my image in front of other family members. I heard it once, through other cousin, that she was saying this thing about me. So why she did that? She was jealous of my career success, because she was elder than me and she was not doing anything in her career. So the problem was, okay, so she also stayed with my family in the city for an year time, wherein she said, she will only go for interviews when somebody takes her through car and then, picks up her from that location where she has gone for the interview. Then only she will go for the interview. Otherwise, she will not go. Okay, that was done through us, and several times she failed the interviews. She never told what was happening in the interview, what was the reason behind that she was failing the interviews. So as I was already working and I already gave so many interviews, so I knew I can help her. So I said, let's do one thing. I will ask one of my contact, who can take your interview in the company, and I will request them to allow me to sit with you in the interview itself. So I'll see where you are facing problem and I can help you. So she agreed for this, and when I took her, to that office wherein this interviewer was taking interview, and I was allowed there, she could not even introduce herself properly in English, and that was the problem. She was even fumbling while telling her name in English, and I'm like, this is the reality. So she has not done any sort of preparation, also was underconfident, and then again was somebody who was looking for things to be given in her hand without any efforts. So there I realized she's just not a person to be helped. So during her college time, she was all about roaming here and there, talking to her friends. And also when she was staying at our place for an year time, she always used to be talking to her masculine friends and other friends all the time, even 24/7. So one day my father was upset with this, so also said to her something. Then she started crying, and how come they can said anything to me. And then she stayed at our place for an year time. She did not clear any of the interview, wherein my father has helped a lot. So once she left our house, she started spoiling the image of our family in front of other people, that we have not helped her intentionally, whatever reason she was giving. So we got to hear that. And later on, what has happened, as I was working in HR. So one day I decided to check her resume on the portal. So there I found the time she spent in our family, that year time. She has mentioned some sort of experience. So I called her, what is this? You were not working this time. So then she was not left with confessing the truth, that she used fake documents, fake experience letter. So now what she did, she and her family was exactly same. They all were pretending and maintaining image of clean people. And along with this girl, who was always competing with me, their parents were also competing with me, because see, her image was actually spoiled. And why was it spoiled? Because when I started working, I was having great success in my career, but she was not even able to clear her interview, wherein I did not do anything. I was only trying to help her. So that was her problem. So because of this, what she did, she told to her parents that I am aware about her fake document now. So her parents immediately started telling to relatives that she was not getting jobs, so what, if she has used fake documents, that's so normal. So was again trying to clean her image in front of other people. So I said I would not tell anyone, but then still they have been competing with me, and especially her mother. Also, when she started working, when she got her first job with the help of those fake documents, her parents started telling entire family, she has brought these many gifts for for the entire family, because of her salary she's earning this much and that much, wherein they also lied. She was doing a normal small job. So this is how people live, being those elder people, 50-60 years of age, and coming from a good financial background, but then they wanted to maintain image of somebody, like she's working with somebody multinational company. So now, as so she must have done so many other things to spoil my image, but I only got to heard once. So this was Divine said, you heard this, that she has said this about you, right, wherein you tried helping her. So this was her karma. So now you understand how Divine creates situation. When somebody's karma is getting returned, it gets returned in several sort of situations. It can come as a form of cheating. It can also come in the form of death or financial losses. So when Divine asked me to stay back, do not get into this situation, and this situation happened again long time back, and all of a sudden I was given this information in 2019. So this is always in the hand of Divine. They knows what needs to be disclosed right now and what needs to be hidden. So this was another lesson I had to learn. Okay, I will not interfere in this situation. So if you come in front of the karmic consequences of someone's bad deeds, then you will also have to suffer the consequences. So remember, I have already shared several videos on karmic situations, how to deal with them. And this is another lesson. Though I was supposed to share this, incident in another video wherein back-to-back incidents were happening. But then understand, if you are a genuine, real person, these situations will keep on occurring in such people's life, wherein that they are immediate people of your, and when they suffer, maybe because of as illness or financial losses or death or any other traumatic situations, there you will have to stop involving yourself. Now, as I had this concern that, if they ask these people again to help me, how would I say no to them all of a sudden? Because I have been helping them since very long time. So I realized one thing, I had several ties with them, be it financial ties or some other sort of ties. And they were dependent on me for so many things. Also, as I took the control in 2016, now Divine said, lose that control, leave that control, wherein they were always wanting to give me the control of their life in their hand. Now this was a situation wherein I had to take this decision to remove this control. I had to lose it. And then also I started removing all sort of, dependencies and codependencies what they had on me. Because I knew when this karma returns, I will have to keep myself away from them and will have to give them excuse when they start asking for help. I will not say that I'm not going to help you, but in a polite way, I will have to say no to them by giving some sort of excuses. So in 2019 July, I started, breaking all these ties, and it was not easy for me, because these karmics will never let you go from their life. They have a lot of benefits from you, also on energetic level. They get a lot of energies from you because they are your immediate, people. So what you have to do, start taking care of these situations. And it took me 3 years time. So starting from 2019 to 3 years later, that this much time it took it for me to make myself completely distant from them, though I am in their contact, because the contact cannot be broken. These are immediate relatives, so they are in touch with my immediate karmic family and other siblings. So yes, I do meet them whenever they come to my place, at my parents' place, not at my place. But I do not help them at all. And also one more situation happened in the month of July itself. One of the relative, masculine, who was almost 45 or 50 years of age, who called me like, all of a sudden. I met him close to 25 years back, wherein I said, hi, hello to them whenever I had visited the place, that, ancestors place. So I knew that he is a relative, immediate relative, but never called me. But all of a sudden now calling me, and so I denied recognizing him. He said, I am this person and that person, immediate part of your family. I said, I do not recognize you, and I have thousands of relatives like you. So when I denied recognizing him, wherein I knew I recognized him, but intentionally I denied him, I do not recognize you, and how did you get my number? So what has happened that I always, ask my family not to share my number with these relatives, because they kept on asking for money and kept on asking for me to help them in their job, wherein they don't have any sort of skills, also not ready to put the efforts in the job field. So I already, helped several people in the family, and I was insulted because, they took this help for granted. So there I decided I will not be helping them. So after this incident, when I decided not to recognize this person, he asked his daughter to call me, wherein I used to talk to this girl during my childhood, sort of a good friend. So I said, yeah, I remember you. And then immediately I said, there are so many relatives who used to call me either for financial help or for job. So I said, for what purpose are you calling me all of a sudden? You never called me. So these relatives never called me when they were aware that I was struggling with my health. So they all were aware, but they never called me. But then when they need finances, they need any sort of help, they will call me, being a shameless person. So then she said, she is needing help in her brother's career. So I gave her also, excuse that I cannot help her. So I was already so angry and upset, because of this friend's incident. And these people kept on bothering me, asking for sometimes financial help, sometimes this help and that help, as if like, I am running some sort of NGO to help them. So from July 2019, I started showing people their place that no sort of help can be given by me, and you better understand this. Come in this acceptance. No matter, I understand, they have been getting this help from me, that too since very long time, but now no help, not even a single help. So, but also like, they tried, kept on calling me, but then when I learned to say no to these people, they stopped calling me. Of course, they knew that I'm not going to help them. Whenever I used to help, people since my childhood, and also when I started working, the people who were not known to me, like, outside people, strangers. So I never had to regret, helping them, never had to face any sort of consequences or any sort of, backstabbing. But every time I helped these immediate people, they always been taking, these help from me, also backstabbing me and also backbitching me, even after taking this help from me, as they have been jealous and competing. So in July month itself, I decided not to help anyone. Also another situation happened, because of which I was able to take this decision. Even though if you die, I will not be supporting you, I will not be giving you any sort of help. So that happened, that decision I was able to take, because of one particular situation that I will share in another video. So if you are a twin flame, be ready for these situations wherein people who have hurted you, backstabbed you, or did anything wrong to you, they will be punished for sure. But if they ask for your help and you start helping them, that you are actually going to create unnecessary pain in your life. So do not do that. This is your responsibility, and again part of your karmic lesson, which you will have to learn. And I have already made several videos on karmics. Please go ahead and listen to them if you haven't. And this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.